Hello students of class 10, I am Suresh Kumar Chandwani. Video has been prepared from textbook of CBSE. See part 1 and 2 before start of this. Part 3, page number 105. Question 1. What advantage over an aquatic organism does a terrestrial organism have with regard to obtaining oxygen for respiration? Answer. Terrestrial organisms take up oxygen from the atmosphere, whereas aquatic animals obtain oxygen from water. Air contains more O2 as compared to water. Since the content of O2 in air is high, the terrestrial animals do not have to breathe faster to get more oxygen. Therefore, unlike aquatic animals, terrestrial animals do not need adaptations for gaseous exchange. Question 2. What are the different ways in which glucose is oxidized to provide energy in various organisms? Answer. At first, glucose, 6 carbon molecules, is broken in the cytoplasm of cells of all organisms. This process yields a 3 carbon molecule compound called pyruvate. Further breakdown of pyruvate takes place in different manners in different organisms. Anaerobic respiration. This process takes place in absence of oxygen, e.g. in yeast during fermentation. In this case, pyruvate is converted into ethanol and carbon dioxide. Aerobic respiration. In aerobic respiration, the breakdown of pyruvate takes place in presence of oxygen to give rise to 3 molecules of carbon dioxide and water. The release of energy in aerobic respiration is much more than anaerobic respiration. Lack of oxygen. Sometimes, when there is lack of oxygen, especially during vigorous activity, in our muscles, pyruvate is converted into lactic acid, 3 carbon molecule compounds. Formation of lactic acid in muscles causes cramp. Question 3. How is oxygen and carbon dioxide transported in human beings? Answer. Transport of oxygen. The respiratory pigments, hemoglobin, present in red blood cells takes up the oxygen from the air to the lungs. They carry the oxygen to tissues which are deficient in oxygen. Transport of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is more soluble in water. Hence, it is mostly transported from body tissues in the dissolved form in our blood plasma to lungs, where it diffuses from blood to air in the lungs and then expelled out through nostrils. Question 4. How are the lungs designed in human beings to maximize the area for exchange of gases? Answer. Lungs contain millions of alveoli which provide a surface for the exchange of gases. An extensive network of blood vessels is present in the wall of the alveoli. By lifting our ribs and flatten the diaphragm, the chest cavity becomes spacious. Air is sucked into the lungs and alveoli. The oxygen from the breath diffuses into the blood, and CO2 from the blood brought from the body diffuses out into the air. Next lecture on further question in part 4. For any doubt, WhatsApp me on 9713955480. Thank you.